So I guess I'll make a video today and talk about the things I like about this bike, since I did one on the things that I don't like about it. So it's only fair that I shine a light on this beautiful angel. So the number one I'm gonna have to say is the color, and that goes for two reasons. One is, how many black Harleys do you see out there on the road? A fucking ton. My Sportster had a phase where it was all black. My Dyna was all black. And the second factor to that is, I think a car, or a person in a car, is going to be more likely to see something that's kind of bright as this is versus an all black bike. Obviously this only applies during the daytime. So another thing I like about it is comfort. Obviously it's a touring bike, so it's going to be comfortable. But there's always complaints about the factory Harley seats, and yeah, they're not the best, but this bike still has a factory seat on it, and it's pretty fucking comfortable for me. Granted, it's been broken in. It's got almost 68,000 miles on it now, so it's got some wear, but it still looks really good. So another thing I like is the suspension. It has, I guess, the premium emulsion shocks on it. It has the turn dial to adjust the preload. I had to make it more difficult for myself because I took the quarter turn fasteners out and put regular bolts in there, so it's a little bit longer for me to adjust my preload, but I think it's worth it to not have my saddlebags fall off. But hey, that's just me. Is having a radio that I can hear at pretty much whatever speed I'm going. I did at one point in time, I tried two different stereos out on the Dyna, and they both sucked. I couldn't hear them above, I don't know, 50 miles an hour. This one is obviously, I can hear it because it's built for the application. And I guess the last thing is going to be having cruise control. I've never had cruise control on a bike before, and I got to tell you, it is phenomenal. Because say if my right hand gets tired, I can just turn it on, hit the button, and there we go. I'm done. Just cruise along, no hands. Well, I guess that's going to do it for this one. Hopefully you guys enjoy the split view screen camera setup. I do have a mount up on my dash right there, so I might point it at my ugly face sometime, see how that turns out. But that's gonna do it. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.